Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can turn off private browsing on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, go ahead, first of all access your particular browser of yours, and now that's how it's gonna appear. Right now go ahead, tap on this little tab icon in the bottom right, and now you have your normal tab, and then if you swipe to your right you have your private tab. If you want to simply turn off, you're going to tap on plus, and then you will be able to create yourself a tab. Right, again tap on this tab again in the bottom right, and now you have this tab with this X icon on top. Tap on it and that tab is now removed. That is how you can do it. To any tab you have, you will find the cross icon on top right. Go ahead, tap on it, and you're good to go. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.